Hello, this is the Subaru recovery team reporting. We received a report for a flat tire. So Ronnie ran over a screw or something.
What are those?
I know, Marty, it's ridiculous. So yeah, what do you think, bud? Does that look pretty flat or what? Also, he sucks at parking. Look at how close he is to the line over here.
I mean,
Look at this.
Big car. Oh, wait.
It's not a big car. Look at that, Marty. You can almost lay down that in that. Wow. I mean, it's not like there's anybody else in the parking lot, but still, Subaru owners, am I right? It's gonna be here. I can twist it that way a little bit. Okay, there you go. Now it's on there. All right, yeah. Now straight towards me. There you go. Good job.
Footage of cranking the handle thing. If you think about it, you're doing surgery on this car.
You know what? That's a good way to put it, huh?
Look at this wheel.
I wonder how long this has been flat. Here, let's show them the screw. It's right there.
The screw. To be honest, they're very rusty and I don't know anything about cars. The only thing I know about this car is that this part is somehow very clean and this part needs to be cleaned. And there's some paint, red paint right there.
Well, there you have it, gentlemen.
Marty's opinion on a dirty car.
Look at that. Comes right out. Sabotage right there.
Who put that there?
I don't know. Happened to me too when we were in Florida.
Short.
Oh no.
Oh, you're putting another screw in. Stop sabotaging it.
Oh.
WAEMID's the imposter.
Jeez, I can't get that in there. It's too flat. There we go.
I'm cutting it.
Pretty much. This is called a reamer. This is going to smooth out that hole.
Oh. Sounds very unsatisfying.
I need you to hold it when I'm done with it.
Sure. Is that glue?
Yeah. Don't get it on your fingers. Alright, here we go. Here, let's get this out of here.
Sounds like that one thing from the one Halo game.
There we go. Okay, give me that.
Where do I put this?
In that blue box in there. Okay. Boom, just like that. So, Mr. Gonzalez here has fallen victim to missing the 10mm socket.
How do people even figure out how cars work?
Well, I don't know. The internet? Can you even get it without a socket?
Yeah, you just gotta hit it at an angle.
Okay.
The internet doesn't have powers to tell you everything.
Yes, it does actually.
The top one is a lot.
It doesn't tell you what the 15th planet ever discovered is.
You know what? It probably does. Let me see. What do we got?
It's out.
Okay. Excellent. Well, if you ask me, it looks like we take out this and
I'll grab the bolt.
go.
Oh God.
Honestly,
Among Us.
You're right.
Oh, no.
Subaru headlight sus. So this tire is starting to dry rot along this seam here. So it's gonna have to be replaced soon, but this will be good for a while. All right, Marty, load it up into the back.
Do you really expect me to know how to do that?
Just lift it up. It's not working. That one's on.
Why is that one not working?
I don't know. Maybe there's some other problem.
Yeah.
It's a very weird system. You could pry this away. And then that's the bulb. Ow, that's hot. Ow, why is that hot? Ow, 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 ow. That is the weirdest.
Hold on here.
I got it.
Oh, you okay.
Yeah, that's the weirdest headlight system I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Some Japanese bullshit. They smart, but what the fuck?
Yeah, and why is the high beam bulb like a regular bulb? You know,
Yeah.
it's not like they didn't know how to do the regular stuff. They just decided to do this for some reason. No. Wait. All right, here's the game plan. We're gonna put air in this tire, fill up the spare because it's also low. Nobody remembers to fill the spare. We're also going to get a low beam headlight and recharge the AC.
Sure.
To AutoZone. Did we put new rear brakes on them? I shoved it in a bit farther than it was supposed to go anyway, so. Is it in the right way?
Yeah, I checked it. Kind of
Okay.
seems like that's the only way it's gonna fit.
Alright, there you go. Test it out before we put it all back together.
Yeah.
Ronnie, you're putting it all back together. You got your key?
You just gotta put that thing on so the light doesn't escape or whatever.
No, this is just like a moisture cover. Hey, it works.
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Oh, that's cool. All right, test out the high beams real quick. All right, those work too. Excellent.
Nice.
Jeez. Oh, well, I broke something. Well, the wires aren't nearly as forgivingly long on this side.
It is steaming.
It's steaming.
Yeah.
It's like 80 degrees.
Yeah, I know.
It's not steam. Okay. Boom. Doesn't fall over. Okay, so this is the high pressure port. This is the low pressure port. I don't know why there is a high pressure port. I don't know what it does, but pretty sure this. Yeah, it's locked on there. Okay. Well, no, if you need AC repair, like if there's a leak in it, you know, you can recharge it yourself. Oh yeah, there's nothing left in there. Look at that.
What? Oh shit.
There's no charge left.
Yeah. Well, hopefully, get that cool, crispy air. How many? It's cool as fuck. It's still on zero.
No, it's I'll pump it up real good here. All right, looks good to me. All right, here's the part where we die. Oh my God, we didn't die.
Oh God, too bad. Kind of look forward to it. Not starting.
I hear that. What have we done?
I don't know.
What's it doing when you try to start it? Here, you hold the camera.
Like it's just, it goes into ignition, but
we could have killed the battery.
yeah. I have one of those charger thingies in the back though.
How old is this thing?
Old as fuck.
Yeah, it looks pretty old.
Look at that, yeah, it's old looking shit.
Oh, it's not even
Latched
that's
down.
nice. All right, both the headlights work. It's a catastrophe in here. Let's go.
Where are we going?
I don't know, just around. We gotta test drive it, make sure it works.
You wanna go get the bag?
We can. We can go to Walmart and get a battery if you want.
How likely will it last until like Friday?
This battery?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's still good. Yeah.
Alright, I'll buy it
I
then
mean,
when I get paid instead.
Okay. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe it's just placebo. So, defroster on, AC on. Shouldn't matter what position it's in, as long as the AC is on. The compressor should be spinning, as you can see. It's not. So that feels like it's seized in there. Something's not working in here. So this is the part you gotta replace. Oh, that sucks. Well, that was another successful rescue mission on the Subaru recovery team. What do you think, Marty? Okay. We fixed the flat tire. We put air in his donut spare. He was originally going to use the donut, and then I was like, "When's the last time you put air in it?" And he was like, "Never." And so we put air in the donut. It was at 9 psi. So what else we do? We put those new headlights in it, high beams and low beams.
Yeah, and I found like 5 things that looked like Among Us.
Yeah, Marty realized that everything is sus.
Yeah, I found a part in the car over here that looks like yellow Among Us character, and the headlight thing, the back of the headlight thing looked like Among Us.
Yeah, that's right.
And this light thing up here looks like Among Us.
Geez, some sus is everywhere. So we tried to recharge the AC system, found out that the compressor was not engaging, so he needs a new compressor and possibly some other AC components. But you know what I always say, AC is not necessary in Wisconsin. These damn northerners think that it's hot here. How hot is it here today? 80. Yeah, that's nothing, man. Try going to Florida or Texas. I don't think he's going to worry about it this year. It'll probably be next year when he buys a new compressor. They're pretty expensive. If he even has the car by then, because, you know, Subarus. Anyway, those of you that are subscribed for the Comanche content, I do have a very special video coming up next, so we're making some moves.